Hey guys, Zen up here. Today we're checking out the Mt1C Pro EDC flashlight from Nitecore. Inside the box you get the flashlight itself, a USB-C charging cable, a bag with some extra parts and pieces including a lanyard, and a user's guide. So let's take this thing outside and see what it can do. It is a dark 30 and we are outside. We have our light here on its low mode, lighting up our cheat sheet real bright. You can see it out there into the yard, off of the pump house 50 feet away. Trees at the end of the grass, that's 100 feet away. And it will even light up the end of the fence line, that's 150 feet away. You can kind of see it off the trees across the road, but let's put it on too high. That's real bright. Off of the pump house, trees at the end of the grass, end of the fence line, and those trees across the road there 200 feet away. This has a real tight hot spot and it has a wide spill, so when you're out looking at something way out there you can see a lot of stuff. But if you try to use this thing close, it's going to focus all of the light in that little hot spot, and you're not really going to be able to see anything else around it. Operation of this light is pretty simple. We have one button on the back here that runs the whole thing. You can either full press or half press this button. There are only two modes. When you turn it on, it will go automatically to high. High is 1000 lumens. It will last there for 1 hour and 15 minutes. If you either turn it off, turn it back on, or half press it off and on, then you will get to low. Low is 50 lumens. It'll last there for 16 hours. You can use RCR123 batteries or CR123 batteries in this with lesser output, or you can just use the included 1600 milliamp hour 18350 battery. To charge that battery, if you look here on the back, you find a USB-C charging port. Just plug in USB-C cable and it is charging. When it's charging, light will be red, and when it's done charging, light will turn green. You can also take it out and charge it in a battery charger. Recently, I did a video about this flashlight's bigger brother, the Mt2C Pro, and I didn't have much love for it. Even though this is the exact same light, just smaller, I find this one more convenient. I mean, it still has that, instant access to the turbo on the back there. Only the two modes. It still shoots really far. It lasts a long time. But this one seems more convenient to have. I can take this and use it if I need to as a weapon light. It's small enough to put into a pocket or on a vest or something like that, just in case you need to grab it. I don't know. It still does the tail stand, still has a deep lens with the LED way down there. I just like this one better for some reason. It's almost small enough to put into my pocket. This is about the size of my pocket light, and it's almost there, but this one shoots so much farther than this one does, and I really like that. This isn't going to be good for like walking your dog at night because that hot spot hits so hard. Even on low, you only see what's in this ring. Out here, everything else is black. This is me out in the yard and just kind of, shining it way out there, and then closer, and then closer, and then right down at my feet. And you can see that what I'm shooting at is really bright, and you can see it all. But right outside that outer ring is completely black. So this isn't for just walking down the street at night or looking under the couch or something. This is if you really want to reach out there and hit something and see what it is, that's what this light's for. Well, that's all I have for this video. Bang around that bell icon if you want to be notified when new videos come out. Call us on the hotline if you have comments or questions and want to be featured in an upcoming video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Check us out on the website, and we'll see you guys on the next one.